Your brain operates on a network of 86 billion neurons, firing in intricate biological patterns we barely understand. Yet we rely on artificial intelligence to navigate our cars through traffic and locate microscopic tumors. If an AI lacks a single biological synapse, how exactly does a machine learn? It's tempting to look at a successful prediction and imagine a sentient spark inside the code. But the reality is completely devoid of magic or science fiction. What you are actually looking at is a massive, highly structured mechanical filtration system. To understand the machine, we have to look past the hardware and see the specific mathematical operations that dictate how data actually flows. The first gears in this filter are called weights. You can think of them as volume knobs. Their entire job is to dial up the specific signals you need and mute the irrelevant noise. Right behind those knobs is the bias. The bias acts as a strict gatekeeper. It sets a hard mathematical threshold. If the incoming signal isn't strong enough to meet that number, the gate snaps shut and the data is blocked. When raw data pours into the system, it flows sequentially through millions of these knobs and gates, in a process known as forward propagation. All of that flowing data filters down until it produces a single final prediction at the end of the line. Because every single knob and gate starts in a completely random position on the first run, that initial prediction is guaranteed to be entirely wrong. That inevitable mistake is not a systemic failure. It provides the exact mechanical leverage the system needs to trigger the learning process. Raw data simply passing through filters is meaningless on its own. The machine can only begin to think once it has a specific error to correct. To address that error, the system initiates backpropagation. This is a correction wave that travels entirely in reverse. This wave acts as an internal auditor, tracing the exact path of the bad prediction. As it moves backward, it inspects the hardware to identify precisely which volume knob was turned up too high during the initial forward run. Simultaneously, it flags any gatekeeper that was set too loose, allowing bad data to slip through. Backpropagation does not fix the problem. Its sole purpose is to map the exact anatomy of the system's mistake so the mathematical repair can begin. The mathematical fix applied to those mapped errors is called gradient descent. As this diagram shows, the total amount of error is plotted as a single point, resting high up on a 3D topographical surface. Applying the calculus here functions exactly like a person navigating down a steep, uneven hill. The objective is to reach the absolute lowest depression in the valley, the state of zero error. Every single time a volume knob is adjusted or a gate is tightened, the system pushes itself one step further down that hill toward perfect accuracy. Artificial intelligence is simply the geographic process of mathematically seeking the lowest possible point of error. Running a single forward and backward cycle only corrects a single micro-error. The system relies on massive, high-speed repetition. It executes this exact mechanical cycle millions of times, and through that repetition, simple, mathematically corrected lines finally coalesce into complex, recognizable patterns. Those refined patterns allow the machine to differentiate between faces, navigate dense city streets, and locate tumors. This relentless cycle of mechanical trial and error is the process that transforms random noise into a precise prediction. Which part of this mechanical brain surprised you most? Let me know below.